Today I'm going to talk to you about why Mississauga is one of the best cities to live in Ontario. Let's find some quick facts about it. Everyone, this is Janet from Citylite Realty, your neighborhood realtor. Mississauga ranks as Canada's sixth largest city with a population of over 700,000 people. Mississauga is growing faster than ever, committed to lead as the city of the 21st century. It is a home to Canada's largest and most famous airport in GTA, Pearson International Airport, which is only 15 minutes away from the city's core. Mississauga offers jobs and businesses opportunities in several key factors: biomedical, pharmaceutical, fire, which is actually finance, insurance, real estate, consumer products, IT, automotive, aerospace, finance, and telecommunications. The city hosts one of Canada's most prestigious, highest learning institutions, which is University of Toronto, Mississauga. Sheridan College is also situated in the heart of Mississauga. So this is very interesting, guys. Over 550,000 business, 400,000 plus employees, 1,300 plus multinational farm, and 61 of Fortune 500 Canadian head offices are actually located in Mississauga. Did you know that? Guess what? Mississauga is the third largest FIRE, which means finance, insurance, real estate. It's a cluster in North America and amongst the largest in the world. Now guys, there is another soothing factor to this city. It is a home of 480 parks and woodlands for you to come and discover with us. It is a city which is one of the most safest in Ontario with lowest crime rates. Mississauga also offers Square One Mall. Remember, this is one of the largest malls in Ontario. And guess what? It's third largest in Canada. This transportation system is absolutely stunning. Having the GO Transit directly taking you to downtown Toronto and MyWay bus services accessible to subways, access to 403, 407, 401, 410 QW is just simply amazing. Last but not the least, as I'm a realtor, I'm going to give you a small tip about the real estate in Mississauga. Each year, Mississauga has very limited supply of land, and this is one of the reasons why our real estate prices grows continuously every year. So this is your opportunity to come and invest in Mississauga. It is a home of multicultural community, which comes with an area of restaurants, supermarkets, cultural events with bustling marinas. Why wouldn't you live in Mississauga? These are your opportunity to explore. If you have any questions, give me a call and I will be happy to answer your question. Until then, have an awesome day, be safe, and take care. Bye-bye.